In this video, we will explore how to perform a VIN search, use the General Search feature, and navigate the General Catalog in ECAT10. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Catalog home screen. On this screen, you will see the VIN search field. Enter the VIN number you would like to search for and start the search. Once the search is successful, all relevant vehicle information will be automatically displayed on the screen. From the Display Options section, you can select your preferred mode to access part details. If you would like more detailed information about these modes, you can find the related video links in the description below. To perform a new VIN search, simply click the Clear X button in the VIN field to reset the current search. The system will then be ready for a new query. Your previous searches are stored in the Search Lists section. From here, you can quickly access previously searched VIN numbers. You can also clear the list using the X button. Now, let's take a look at the General Search feature. Click on the General Search button located in the top left corner of the main screen. In this section, you can search using keywords, part numbers, or special codes. Please note that this search is case sensitive, so we recommend paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Enter your query in the search field and click the search button. The results will be listed on the left-hand side of the screen. When you click on Apart from the list, detailed information, the part image, and the catalogs where the part is included will be displayed. To add the part to your active order list, you can use the Add to Cart button. You can also select a catalog from the list to view the image where the part is located. Simply click the corresponding View button, and the image will open in a new window. To navigate directly to the selected catalog, click the Go to Catalog button. The system will direct you to the relevant catalog page, where you can examine part details using your preferred display mode. Finally, let's explore the General Catalogs. To browse all catalogs, select the General Catalogs option from the top left menu. On the screen that opens, you can navigate through the catalog tree. Start by selecting the product group you would like to view. Items in the list are organized from general to specific. Information related to the selected group will be displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. To open the catalog, click the Go to Catalog button. The system will redirect you to the main catalog page. On the catalog page, you can continue your review by selecting your preferred display mode. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. See you in the next videos.